In closing, I would like to go over some of the benefits of gamification in education. And the first is that it eliminates stress for a lot of students who are fearful of traditional assessments. This provides a way of using um, programs such as Kahoot or quizzes in order to get an informal assessment of what the student knows without them actually knowing that they are being looked at. It is socially encouraged in this digital age right now. It provides immediate reward for their effort, and it gives them great immediate and meaningful feedback. It's fun, it's exciting. The competition produces adrenaline in the students, which keeps them motivated. It also triggers an emotional environment with the competition in a positive way. Their education is based on their experience, and you're able to personalize a lot of these lessons with gamification. I hope you enjoyed my presentation and that you learned a little bit more about bringing gamification into your own classrooms. Thank you.